NDC ni your team A, your team B, your team C. To be our opposition, be is not permanent. Wouldn't cry some on my papa. And President Muhammad is not somebody you can take for granted. That be any more be answer ye.
Monim do be as in obia performance and
obia performance is known. President want to achieve his targets for this country. Much as Ghanaians are happy, it's not enough. The president want to achieve what he wants to achieve. And when he achieves that, party nedin kunim.
Okay.
Because Sechna President Muhammad kasa wonko bi ma obetimi aso obinsa se me President Muhammad adwuma amaye no me de hira me party no mo hwa so mfanto aba ma obi a oba
na mo hwa so
na Ado de yi na Ado a oko MPP party ana MPP fosu
oso kom party ana
omusu se
oko mo party sesen ya
na se ya na Ado ko MPP meeting a ote wo vote so by 1 million.
How?
Because he's an enemy of the state.
MPP for neka na wu
Ghana for neka na Ado ye state human ho krom fu ankobubu
na Ado na state human man
onu ano ye man ho president awa sum kropa no one see statue amano ho krom fu otimi kobubu ama na yeye ufize nkobo brapa kasa abesi tinyana na Ado de ye wo krom han wo de anya oya ti MPP fo no anim se wo mu ye meeting na Ado ba ho na camera nya capture ne pe 1 million vote atiso enano de yi a wo mu ko wie wo primaries na Ado ba ho ate chese ate asay na Bawumia adwuma ne kra.
So it means a memo man na Ado ma baby o mo wana
en fa me ho
former president no that
in fact a party
because NPP ni bi a waba be say na Ado bo mu meeting na eti wo mo vote
o me de aka o mtimi nka me ana meka say a party akukuduro e wo ho a na say party executives a wo mo ye o mo gina wo mo nan so a keso wo mo suspend na Ado free MPP. There's no way NPP won't pay the price for what Ado have done. They will pay price up
former
to
president.
Maybe at 2032.
Political party mo suspending.
We have never had a former president like President Akufo Addo. Ni legacy ni die o de bon komo enye yie o.
But what he has say so mama bisa wo say enti wo beka say de aban ba bibia anya wo so de bia ni de wuntimi nkasa but now so you are talking about
ceremony no oye wo betna 8 years a inaugural ceremony kura waye ho ofe finish
my yembra party no musu yemdi mo party no mo enkomo ene ye beden na de na mo ya ma eba no eye party executives now we are we say dodo na ewo abemo mo occupy position nti kwan be so no mo be fa atimi manage ama mo structures na atimi function ye
party taking positions sir.
Okay.
Yeah ba no na obi o ha oye national officer regional officer constituency by the grace of God for the first time me were constituency secretary or CEO.
Okay.
Me were constituency vice chairman or CEO. Me were regional officer or minister. So and see that me were regional chairman or minister. Me were regional chairman or CEO. Me were national officer or CEO. Will be a minister. Kojo Kyeremanteng, national officer, so a minister for the first time. And to decide say taking decisions say normally no say aban no party nya ye adwuma na aban no ba pa no obi attention kop aban no na party structures no go ti by the time we obeka say we election bi na the party structure is so weak that afi na akọpa nkrofo achow afi na akoyesin afi na akomobilize one hwe ye no want to be mobilize here it no akwa to be my dan we lose election nti was why adwuma na omanpanyin aba wabaso atimi ama otumi e wa aban no particularly say we adwuma no eye adwuma ye tuturu e wa aban ni mu a it is appropriate say we de adwuma ba ko beto ho no afa ba ko say in the beginning no na mpanyifo decide say aban ne power now the to me ba ko dey e dey ato ye ko meeting ye discuss it on say there be me and I think I was one of the people who spoke against it say na say anya fault say o mampanyi dey amount appointment na yem twan yenwie the term of office of the officer and I'm paying for penny and you call back and the decision call neck beam na sad majority of the people they are appointees you discuss here bobo one near back conclusion say it is true and to be what central position be say we a minister we see you now taking ultimate responsibility of your unit there and say we di sa position no o person be di party anymore for sa position at all because materials is here me no can say me we am cover alter regime ko yeduma ko party eduma so what you say e bia nso na see you no we nya time anya den anko ye party eduma na unni ho nso a etosin because we eduma no hia so enti wɔn ni abanum ɔmo nso a wɔn ni party structure sɛ ɛba ne saa no ɔmo nso ɔmo bɛfa adwuma no bi na abra wɔn a wɔn wɔ aban mu yɛ wɔn adwuma no na wɔn a wɔn wɔ party no nso yɛ den ɛyɛ wɔn adwuma that is all it is na ebi mu sɛ o ɛyɛ obi bia President Mahama appointed no ɛna party nso ɔmo step just to create evil. MPP for na asade.
Oh, and then MPP for.
What General Secretary we public or we press conference and almost publish the General Secretary said Obi bia President Mahama power the bia pamu free.
No, someone says away executive na say hold this such possession after 6 months before.
That press conference. That press conference. General Secretary clarify the category of people are affected.
Into him for affected.
You can say CEOs. Deputy CEOs, ministers, deputy ministers, regional ministers, DCs. These individuals.
Someone so they hold this up.
There be.
Executives maybe apart from CEOs, deputies, and ministers, and what position be no?
And your position now, Ukurano, the role you play and the responsibility.
Time na winyama executive na juma party.
Anya aban na epamu a party na pet and crofo a won party juma.
Na sanya but na why aban.
No, want to separate aban no ejuma free party ejuma. Because we aban ejuma enia. Your responsibility is different. Sammy a deputy general secretary. But baby I'm one majuma is different.
Okay.
So what you say?
Okay. Into the me some was here. For instance, so be a minister.
Yeah.
Now moving forward, you know, or when it's what who be say or person obey flag bearer. Or person obey flag bearer.
Yes.
Say no flag bearer and also baby party name.
That be enu ndu.
Enu mundru.
Dabi.
Okay. And then critics be also is of view say okay. Semi a minister na semi a deputy CEO me deputy minister krampona the emma boy executives ni bi hu ye say obi won person retaining the position but I mean let's be honest obi a minister o ye na djuma na ade nyina there's a possibilities at least obetimi aboa ne hu ye na ode aba be fight ni pa no atu no age position
I no cry there
and nti na mani abo no mo pese ni pa no fa na djuma no enguo so party edjuma onye party edjuma pep open the position so on just our position
let me tell you meti hey so we could try 1 billion my party for if they want me they will vote for me. It doesn't matter, money cannot change it.
Oh yeah, sure.
And they won't name NDC party no. You know be honest kaya juma omo. And then your position in na na eheska.
Okay, position ni bi ohonum de end.
Position ni wo ho a ehwede obetimi aye juma. The party needs people who can serve them. And they know their people. And we haven't contemplated on that one at all. But so we see you now Ukura party position. The reality is that you cannot get time for the party work.
Okay, it's a bit creative, some
vacuum.
And
you per se party no betimi aboa aban no na aban ni ngia na so dia. The party must be strong. So when the party is strong, party executive yetimi committee yetimi ye party ejuma na aban no gina na so we can help complement the efforts of government. Eno na so free we nkrofo free ho ye wo bibia friend analogous bodies. Say entities be a coordinator. It's the same as CEO or managing director. No program coordinators, policy coordinators. We are CEO.
So who did that? CEO.
I don't know.
And also be other back
to yes.
And it's a be a new one more and it be hold it now as
say new or why or you drew what
all the come here say all this we executive
school feeding coordinators. We are national school feeding coordinator. You okahubi. We are deputy CEO and a deputy coordinator. Okahubi. NADMO. You're from coordinators. We are NADMO coordinator. You are the CEO of the place. We are deputy NADMO coordinator. You are CEO, deputy CEO of the place. Okahubi. But sir, we are regional officer, national officer, constituency officer. Now we are a manager under a CEO. You are not affected because you are a manager. You don't take ultimate responsibility of the place. Ebia we are regional officer near the Oko baby say one year Juma baby say we are communication director. You are not affected because we are the one who is ultimately responsible at the place.
Na say more position and as a way coordinating director and as a communication director. Near provincial manakwa kasa in a for a specific jumebia.
No, it's assumed, sir. It's assumed that it's presumed, sir. The levels of responsibilities are different.
Okay. So a key.
Yeah, exactly. You have to focus on what the president wants you to achieve.
Into the year Kenya no more a succession planner. A be smooth edi amamo e was ade mo
decision way ya we are
mo we
ya we ada
but be so can say de mo yi nyina so say in a way mo executives no mo ka de amamo in MPP for aka say mo de wo be say okwadu o mafam o motimi akwakoyi hold on Mustafa o motimi akwakoyi wo mo kendini nkabo mu aba na mudie ne de omude omani to from parties ebe buta and at the end no ene ye share a party chairman and the will see corner thank you to omutimi suspect pan say wo pese wo tu franka e de mama
otu franka e bone otu franka
na nya date na eso omu pese binom de mo ka omu ne ma
so so if you know me very well me menye will be campaign manager. And I mean, you will be so campaign manager.
Now, party chairman or person or flag bearer now.
Meaning,
on country
at the moment, I am a national chairman. And all the Juma as national chairman.
On country.
On
country executives no.
There be on young country.
Oh, sir.
Maybe I don't know anymore, but or catch there.
You need the start to celebrate.
You know, baby crowd will be to me what to me so by catching and so pursue the flag bearer.
Hey,
you know one. You buy ye 1 year near by.
So I see a blue so and when he cocoa. It is any pan or yes, I saw
who pay or buy and gas or banny or an hour on plan.
And only different.
The same. National chairman Yamaka and a minister beyond so Yamaka country will be say, when your president will be, but in him say, be meeting me a dear man. I mean, for the caliber of people we have,
okay,
the caliber of ministers we have. Baby, me a deep pepper man a year. What do you want to Bawumia crowd or Bawumia to me?
Ministers need be a catcher moana.
Or being to me, my country, because baby, I want
to the way we see Kennedy and as ministers need to show interest.
Now, Miss Dabby, who won't call Bibria, or here will be a so by. So who will be to say Bawumia or NDC, only me the president manning ye.
Hey, Mustafa.
What about my president?
So would they me the nyasa Bawumia Dr. Bawumia president asemo but me medjuma ya me yetie nkrofo bebre me kai president Mahama. That's a man flag bearer.
That bit obi an
so want me meye ye share Nana Akufo Addo onu ampoko gina baby kra kan ye say bi mu say no president e ma
Ghana for twa ya kan ya
nti say obeka president
ye kan say
e ho ne de wo hwani me
ye kan say Ghana for Nana Addo a onam what is say Eizal mo de ne ma president a ye sabesi for mu o e na oba ya na obeka say mo nso me hwe I'll protect the public purse. Manyi ma ba akokura me nwia musika. Eno ne ye ne.
Okay.
Na Bawumia ekodi vice president. Hwe. Uyi na Addo yiri fi ho a. Bawumia is the closest person to President Akufo Addo because we're training no and what taking risk.
Nipa winni mo party. Winni party no na
what taking risk.
Obey na Addo play.
And what taking risk say. Nipa nya MPP ni. Nipa nya MPP ni. Me de ne be ye running mate.
Me say.
And not tio. And what de ne be ye running mate.
Political party be a pedom.
Say na Addo probi use no. Na nya adwen papa so no de fa Bawumia. Or probi and we use Bawumia condemn from economic lectures to digitalization. Na papa ya ye stadium amano no akoko twantro se me si toilet nso no nsi ye. Ye si factories nso no nsi ye. Ye dam nso no nsi ye. So ni krom kra wale a ekwan ya da ho. $32 million near the amount India ni no wedi na excavator kra ni ho. You see, what they say nipa ni the president man ye. And at 2 and now we are on primary six. So now to say no support to Bawumia. Tani a tea from him. Adentin will be a wire of running mate 8 years. Vice president 8 years. Suddenly also won't support no.
But leadership by example, no Mustafa T. At same way are working. So do you think Mustafa think say now President Mahama say breakthrough say what in a mamu baby na NDC mokoko yi flag bearer. Obeba bontina ba beka se me supporting the pass me sentimental man. Oh,
say obia on the preferences but on my carbon thing.
Nti ade nti na we expecting na Nando emra bontin meka se o support Dr. Bawumia.
Oh, na no support to obi kura the vice president.
Nti it is a professor na say the obeba o man panyin beba bontina ba beka se o support.
Number 2 say Nando supporting the vice president. And I see him say ono na own interest. Nti Nando no uyi Dr. Bawumia free wa.
Mustafa
unya etwe Dr. Bawumia poma ekoda Nando efiano nti Dr. Bawumia is an extension of Nando ena nti I say akoko batan nkusia daase no eye Bawumia
but now
akoko batan okuntan so no ye president Akufo
but now so dey
ukoto abama Bawumia Nando no ato abama
but now so dey MPP communicators now so eka and it says 2024 and as I no na Dr. Bawumia running mate I was call as flag bearer and untino ye di chin say the second phase of Nando now Sammy no akwakogu ama me ba so mu de o Sammy no be ama okoye no wenya now waba as flag bearer as a fresh person with a new face in terms of say yes we obi running me now a flag bearer eno no ade a ebom hu ana
nti wo pa kire say wo ti hai utu kwan kwa bro kire 1 year now ba na say why different na ai anya ne kan yo legacy a President Akufo Addo ewo no eno ana Bawumia begina so de ayadwuma.
Okay,
this are legacy no mo sha ase a behu de say de ete anamboa. Okay, say almost say the economy was in problem. Omukoje pensioners full sika. Collapse banks. One district, one factory, one village, one dam. One constituency, $1 million. Na ya diskana Akoto bank no mo ji husika. Sa na mo we nyina Bawumia baba be explain. Sesi a we Ghana ni na ne nanado aye de ati a wonya nanado bia mu a Bawumia wo ho a wode kwadu no bebo no so atiase. Number 2, eniema wo aka fa Bawumia ho nti afa no mba be ka kire say oh okay primaries ni ye wie nti sa niema no nyina ye mpapa ni anka niema foforo ana obaji omode Ushe bra MPP for born in the last 6 months. So omuye wo campaign year. Ushe onsoni wo mbanya ye de oman se omusa. Oman ya obi pese odi president nti. Na we yire de we kunu ne we ada. Na we ade we
oh
sabin producer
we na say TV so na okay can say
we yire anyway ada we afa we akronfo we ni nyansa we ya bu timoyi na adwe na omsade ahyem we wajimi
but say wonim say these are all
no you see when people leave certain behaviors the public should hold them responsible.
Ndu ubaka say mo primary syndrome
to
be I'm not saying say it's a good
thing. Remember Ato Forson don't person mu yin free.
Do you think say so ubetna aka say munye primary ma obi an to be mane obi ada
or NDC na say exactly you've seen the level at which we call people to order. And you see a kind of dwen but in this party called the NDC it doesn't matter who you are, who you're wronger, we'll call you to order. Yeah, my own fire and koto a quine beer at China age and I regret it.
Okay.
Because you're teaching cool at ma. And now our party is very attractive because of discipline and orderliness. Set and penny for a deep party in any Yakasi Yabeya, we lead the party into prosperity, not into abyss.
Okay.
Sir, Motimia leading the party into this level of gross misconduct, orderliness. Adia subanya semeno yema edin wufia yabetwe woma so no. The MPP grown-ups and kokra have lived that behavior. And you think that they are qualified to leave this country? Why are we in a comedy? Party akuku dam 4 womo ko school. Womo ko school mrantie the youth of this country should look for one political party and join. Usi MPP. Ubama uba akodwa any party a echna okodi president a yebeka say sabi opanti akese.
Now,
as a woman, do you say that to a woman?
No, Mustafa, who can say more mindful ya moka say drew a internal contest.
It won't happen in the end.
Let's say no man.
And this Lucas will bar panty akasia will drag you to discipline you. You can't say that about party elders. NDC will never get to a point who say presidential aspirant be supporter because anyway rather you can't have, it's not political. Let's not joke with these things. These are persons who are not cultured, these are persons who are not trained properly, and when they come into government, these are the very people who have managed your country for 8 years. That is why the country went to where it is, because they don't see wrongs from right.
Okay, so in a way Ubaka say most enema out of
when people
know a course na mo say enya
people no mu sue free
encourage
MPP for na sue free ho say dey omo year omo campaign this year ayihwe the way omo community engagement say na start here and omo sue free ho
okay timu de mu sue bibia free omo hoda
who go sue there na free MPP
but at least at the end of omo primaries you know bibia
everything was say
it was peaceful.
Yes, she has said that
there wasn't anything.
I don't know.
And no so far credit anymore.
Police for the car say, yeah, my aunt Tranquilua, my mom got this kind of woman here, Mudia Bedis, until Oma Judgment.
Police Becca, but you only say was some bratch for.
Debbie, I say,
at least.
I don't know, I'm run, Yakasa, I'm running on Bedi, I'm running on Bedi. But no woman say, no woman say, near MPP for Koyan or primaries. And yet, 2 years home for say, we are NDC, we are party name mapa, and says edidi atem edi anim kan say udi party penyifo na udi ministers atem in a way and sem fata say party din be ye no na ye say party for say yemfa adisani mbia den emfa nto ye hofo enam say na ye ti hei onyansani bia wo kromu bia adwane NDC ensuku nkwala mranti a wo musua de pe baabi adom eba NDC womu ye kukudamu a womu pe eku a empanyifo wom ne anyansafo wom a yeto emabunufo yeboa nipa eye NDC upe baabi a yankoka se wonye muslim nti untimi nye president untimi ndi party na kan unye christian nti untimi ndi party ne kan unfree srem nti untimi ndi president unfree asante nti untimi ndi president a eye NDC metia me basare ni basare for me he organa hasen me deputy CEO of the party obia tibi ye wo NDC man ye there's no conversation say aha na ofi or primary say omukoyi akanfo mrante na wom nyina weta aso say Bawumia celebrity he is not qualified to be president
na kanfo mrante be
unti I mean I have set up a small year ya download a kasa wom kan ni nyina de ato machine so a ye de kwakobo e wo villages nyina
na ye den
ya be magana fo hu omuso ne omoban ya obia
campaign message
obia comment kan ni bia ne Bawumia kan ye ne Dr. Brian kan ye de eyi aduchum pen wen didi nkrofo atam bebre eyi ne Kwabena Agyapong kan ye Kwabena Agyapong dey start free 2023
Messi no ne campaign message ana
anya campaign message ye dey kochira dance ye se nkrofo no a omnam ho no mu ni suban
okay
yemfa suban we ntichiri kuru
okay Mustafa
because wo the MPP ba mu a echina wo betwe ba so no de Cant etwa because there's no discipline obia ka de ope they
in a way no say we say we see kan na de nyina no se nipa net say obaka na de
utimi di wo ba ade Gabby de twudwa so tabio wan na tete ne sa
but you was worry into it ade na
me ka de o ma ka de akira o ma nka dabi o ma nka o ma nka
ade what na say see condemn say
enya o ma nka dabi o ma nka
me say what can say nya de
ya set up Bawumia to me set obi up said the asof watem no mu di asof natem you pay the price for it
why you saying Dr. Bawumia na set
me so dia ya sha ase ya ne e course nya wante na wo di asof watem na wo di we atem na wo di opanyi we atem ni nyina na it benefits him politically but the price will come. They say ye be ka ho asem nyina so nobody should sit anywhere and say obia ayi o na we running mate 8 years vice president 8 years 2023 o primaries unya 56 na ya sanso akọ in 1 year time the same set of executive yes akọ ya unya 56 which means say 33.5% of core MPP people disapprove of Bawumia being a president. Na Ghana nimbe no nkodi achire.
Na nye se ne of advantage to mu.
It's a weak candidate.
No, hold on.
A candidate not fit for purpose.
No
cause.
See, mo beka say sa analysis ya wo mai. Se mo based on dia. Ene say e hooray e de mama.
Enye hooray.
Enti meba. Enti mono. Why ena mususu se modene eba mana ba be face e Mahamadu Bawumia we feel say we weak
because ye no ye mrantia ye adwumanti at least they have hard working people leading the NDC and I can tell you sir we don't benefit from the fall of another but we succeed on the strength of our own structures.
Okay.
Enti enye NPP so o matter from enebe yi amayen but ye to ye niema yi said ye be ya Ghana for be hwe yesu ene ye ban na adwuma ya di enti no mewa arehemu we mu
enti
MPP de Ghana for be punish wo mpa.
But do you believe and accept so say enye hwe no Dr. Bawumia we popular
where they
or you popular
say no be a popular the odimpa
okay
e bia wo bonnet no odimpa Over pa yet more the impact. Bawumia is very gentle. Bawumia is very humble. Bawumia is very respectful. Okay? On the outside. That's how I see him. But does he have credibility? Is there a legacy for him to stand on? Is he a trustworthy candidate? Because President Akufo Addo is still using him. He has allowed himself to be used. President Akufo Addo will use no to condemn. Can he be revived? He is never a man of his own. That is why he never objected to being used. And he was used. So that is my problem. Until you can't eat your cake and have it. Me ameti hey madika catcher say. Menye Bawumia campaign manager. Me a deputy general secretary of the party. My aim is to help the general secretary to hold the system firm so that no candidate is able to bully the system.
Okay, together with the party chairman.
The NDC will offer a platform of fairness to every person if we have to go to a contest.
Together with the party chairman.
When the party chairman decides, if the party chairman decides, say, or Kwaku president, he will be treated just as any other person who wants to be a president.
Also, 6 months before.
If that is what, if we make a regulation like that, then he will step down.
Now, because also my
president, after a branch.
Okay.
After you constituency, near region. Now, December, near a national election. We are any a bear, I'm will be already MP. Will be already president. But Nimini say, one was so by or the Babedi president, they will be assessed by the party before you are even allowed to come and file. So, maybe you, Minister Wanyajuma, now the party and in the year.
Okay. And so, it will be determined by Mumu executives, no?
A do so. You may have any
and I'm saying, no, be determined by
the Council of Elders, a Babatra, Nimpin, Fuatra, no more consulting, Yayensi say, yeah, a bit making sure, say, the party is able to determine what happens into the future.
They may be saying they won't can't executives no determination. Say be a minister no party name, party manner in Dini year, Ubana, and no Monday Monamo.
Now they didn't know a minister on the party for and then be the president.
Okay.
Yama appointment.
Definition of
Yama appointment.
Yama
appointment also wouldn't party for. Onye Juma or the Umfama party for. Oh dear, you are on your own. Now, a Druswa.
Who's a Vanakasa in your party for party? Why don't I say Ghana for?
When you're executive for Ghana, we are executive for party for.
So you always fight for your members of your
Ghana for year NDC for na year.
Okay. And yes, Ghana year party na year, you know. Ghana for any party for no Ebimpo Kamoba flagship program power was 24-hour economy.
Yeah.
24-hour economy 133 ejuma ba ko mabunu be ko shift abanopa wie enwumre enra ene correspondent parliament ekasai parliamentary correspondent o kase dom kese the authority bill aba no the omo kase esese emra no authority and dom kuma so no money omo nya do be kase nti 1 year ni afi kwampo na saa bill ye akwadru parliament. Can you say said the nanka or manfo she ni mo say onka 24-hour economy kesenka by now ka edi at the chinchia or manfo dodo na so nya so mfaso
enya onze enya ade bia na ye no at the same time.
Okay.
But I believe that Samune Minuya Felix Kasa, he will give you more details about that because me man read it.
Okay.
And I haven't read more about the secretariat and how it's being put in place. We know that people are in charge there, so I'm sure that when you speak to Minuya Felix, he'll be able to give you more accurate details about policy work. I know Nyame Majuma say media party na me yehojuma and to do the groundwork and I'm here. Nti Mone Felix in Kasane, I believe that he will give you more information, which is better and accurate than what I may give you.
Okay. Now, you share caring. Obeka say a bano mo communication side na a bano partner gap eda hono man.
Gap be anyhow.
Oh yeah, sure. Because Nkofo a omo meka say omo front line say omo kasama party no donate say they working omo occupy position. How did you even hear from them? So omo communicate my party no. Emma kwan bia me da.
Sammy Gyamfi na enni ho na deputy ba konso enni ho.
My first number sentally ni etene nkampa.
Akugan. Oh, sir, Basentali ni wana one ten kind of while no. Enye se na waje na adwuma. How to kwan kakra.
No make communication yes.
Yeah, how to kwan kakra. Say adwuma ye nye de bia na obetran ye. Ba waba.
Me say so waka ora Sammy Gyamfi.
Waba.
Ona no so to kwan.
No ye na adwuma. Sammy Gyamfi adwuma na ye na hia ye nyina.
A chain communication no.
Oh, kra.
Okay.
Ena sebe. Sammy Gyamfi adwuma na obeye ma party na. Eso ani.
Okay.
In terms of the Americans mo ye ni as a radio asay Sammy Gyamfi the tact strategy courage and the communication improve your system no look oko your constituencies across the country one of the most effective wing of executives you can talk about communicators no they are very effective, most of them master's degree, very educated, very elaborate and deep. They are able to debate on issues. All these people have been trained. And so his absence, if he was there, I believe that would have been better placed. And trust me, if he was very active in communication, it would have helped more. But only
okay.
But I would say, sir, the deputy Akoga and never be a way biano or the son of so many. And I was and I have been a metra can name Sammy Gyamfi but at the right time I think that people will speak for it and you will know.
Okay.
So he's one of the most supportive appointees in this government as far as the party is concerned. Very supportive in many ways, diverse ways. He's one of the people one non-naturally unfound party after being appointed. Would him say Anokro me dear Mecca.
Okay. Now we share said the MPP or Makwakoyi or more flag bearer in the way no a boom who say tentam so mo ama or a ban internal conflict no near they will be able to resolve it faster than more na.
Chairman the kind as if you me sukum papano. Would you mean a wajime? Na Sebi conflict by a woman suni woman by any conflict.
Say Adibia some more
and two fees said the MPP for
the conflict
MPP for
but you understand what's up.
The MPP for the Ghana free. The MPP for the Ghana. We are going according to plan.
It's on the December no. And no yet dear then
not naturally no every 4 years be a political party be a friend election cycle.
Yeah.
Okay, so you must go and now so political party organization as here you cannot use a generic electoral college and in NDC what electoral college are they selected in Benifo. So you must go back and renew the eligibility of that college to be able to use it to take decisions in the party, i.e. elections, i.e. reforms and policy directions of the party. And can do so MPP for reorganization just as NDC would do reorganization. Conventionally, we start from branch. MPP for 2012. Okay, so no more voucher. Your friend time I want MTN Vodafone scratch card no. Okay, and no more recruiting members. It's natural how to organize party. You must open up for new people to join because they know say nobody will join. Also, man be a party so be a join. Members are rather living and joining the NDC. MPP who MPP have waived that to open up for people to join because nobody will join. 2, and as a branch elections because every party has branch executives.
That's all my
what train we are no my region now my national
and son of my baby
and now so win lose election one responsible enough to take blame for what has happened. So what they did, the right thing to do was for example Ashanti region a whole general secretary free, a whole national organizer free, a whole quiet say, a whole chief of staff free, a whole quiet say MPs now one more Equatorial presidents one more pack Gabby na kan Nana Dunya Gabby na kan
MPs ni bi suba but
Nana Dunya
enye no cross
Nana Dunya Gabby na kan so MPP 8 years na Ashanti region omo nsi factory baako omo nsi road omo nsi bibia ho hospital crap president Mahamadu siye omo ja tunwuram a chire na eyi ofunu adaka ye de esu eja no omo ayo omo adwen so omo nko enukra omo anya ewie nom de koi school adan ya ye si wo Ashanti region omo amfa wo mo nsanka na legacy ba ko a omo ja ne se nsase a gold lands a ho ena omo dia ma Chinese fo ena omo trashes no omo tutua no omo se wo mo akwan omo nsase ena afei omo ye koko asantini bia meme ya basare ni na basare fo ye sum asantifo so nim sa ye koko do wo koko ase ye papa no timi ye nim asantifo ni koko na nado abreso na koko gu wo Ghana hasen nti nka se party no kɔ na omo kɔ party fo na chow se de omo ye bia na wo ye dan wo mo fa nche wo ansa no omo ahye reorganization ase and that etie omo adwane akoso saade no top bottom and we must select the president because they don't want the party to go through the natural reconciliation and the natural rehabilitation. One more koi Bawumia, would they train by the time one ubia benya abutiem and answer ubia bubatoniem. So omo ye ready so election, they will come to a conclusion that the candidate is not fit for purpose. They will only realize it after 1 year.
Not fit for purpose and can you know.
He is fit for purpose in the MPP under the circumstance. But is it fit for purpose? Is it fit for purpose?
Under what circumstance?
Oh, vice president, running mate. Say, baby, any frafo no, ubi a won any back way or hene. But Ghana afford ye, one more you go on bank. Pensioners are Yachinchim Wamusa G. Muska, Mofra, Kama, a CEO, Kama Center, where who? Said no. But before I be no can say how many pensioners for the work room have. Abra bind the dano echo. Aban Nanado aban. Me kai so the initiative be by a drip. Nini na ye say ya kwan ye dida ye mpote mu na say nkro numni ade ye betimi e de machines ye juju so na say yetimi enya akwan papa. Maban ba so kon mo bo e owura vanderpoidin say wono na enda eno ano. How is it going? Na drip no say MPP for campaign who say machines no cry fraud wo.
How?
MPP for na kan am say na get fan boss na now
no fraud wo ho so aban yi panyin na wonda no. So does it mean it's a fraud?
That be so am see adede de hu bibia ante so obi aka ho asem. Say abokro no wo ho. But already attorney general ya investigation bia extra say chronobo bi aba ho 2 chronobo aba ho asen machines no ne bo nse de eto no ba ko ene bo a esese na eto ye hu se ebi mu abu bibi wo mu a ye hwehwem nti ama machines no mfa nye dabi machines say nya na ado dia no I know say machines no ye di put into good use can MPP for na wa mu be ko galamsey nti ye adwum machines no ko emia ya na ya te heya me constituency baby me free ya the machines no eyi akwan baby ya tons ase a eye new site ya wi akwan to ho nyina and it's happening all over the place every district constituency Kachi East
okay
I hold them fee. The whole country, the machines, you know, yejuma. Sebiu. That is the essence of the machine, sir. Yatui. This is not the first time. Under President Mills also, ye to be sir. But not as huge as the quantity of units are. Yaton this time round. And I know Bisikanam, the Ghana Fuskan, the Ato. Common fund is consolidated.
We are making good use
of it. Sir, Wakoto asase, open new crowd, the Aquas no swa. Can't mean co. And this is no the year coin. Sabi baby, government, award contractor, a very high. They are using small money to buy fuel. Omodia sa no reshaping, not filling, no more nipa betimi anantiso. They are doing all of that.
Okay.
So I want to claim the responsibility, sir. We are putting it to good use. Okay. Coordinator.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.